Japanese natural food movement. That is something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet. So in the last video, I talked about mago wa yasashi, but it did not include grains. So what about grains? Because whenever you go to a natural food restaurant in Japan, you always see brown rice, yeah, or some kind of rice. That is very much part of our diet. Okay, so let me talk about natural food movement today. Now, the natural food culture as we know it kind of started in the beginning of the 20th century, because before that, there was no, everything was natural. So there was no concept of natural food. Now, the natural food movement kind of started by monk called Sagen Ishizuka, who started a group called Shokuyokai in 1907. And he promoted plant-based diet with brown rice, what we call Genmai Saishoku. Yes, and he was very much influenced by Shojin Ryori, which I call Zen Shojin Diet, because Shojin Ryori was very much practiced by monks at Zen monasteries, and it was not, Ryori simply means cooking, but it was more than just cooking. It was a way of life and a way of eating. Therefore, I call it Zen Shojin Diet. And another significant figure in the Japanese natural food movement is Yukikazu Sakurazawa, who was also a member of Shokuyokai, and later he became the leader of Shokuyokai. And he is well known worldwide because his name is also George Osawa. This name was given when he went to France. Yes, but in Japan, he is known as Yukikazu Sakurazawa. And he is the founder of the macrobiotic diet. And the macrobiotic diet is very much the kind of a base of Japanese natural food culture. Therefore, still today, plant-based diet with brown rice is the main part of the Japanese natural food culture. Recently, we have a lot of new diet. For example, Kosogenmai, which is fermented brown rice, is very popular now. And Zakkokumai, the rice with other grains such as barley and millet, is very popular. It is advocated a lot by a diet called Mirai Shoku Tsubutsubu. And Mugimeshi, rice with barley, is very popular too. So we have a more variety now, but still the plant-based diet with brown rice is still the base of the Japanese natural food culture. Therefore, mago wa yasashi doesn't include grains, but I would call it mago wa yasashi ko. Ko means kokumotsu, which means grains. By adding grains, it becomes a completely balanced diet. All right, so what about fish then? Fish is part of mago wa yasashi, and yet I said in the last video that I need to talk a little about fish because it's not the same as other ingredients. And in fact, it is related to Shojin Diet. There is a concept called Ichibutsu Zen Taishoku in Shojin Diet, and it is also advocated by Sagen Ishizuka too. Okay, so this is something I'm going to talk about in the next video. So again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet, the secret Japanese diet to health and longevity. It is available as a print-on-demand paperback on Amazon and Amazon Kindle too. All right, so thank you for watching today, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.